In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a company in Freshdesk. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to fill out, and how to set helpful labels so your team stays organized. First, from your Freshdesk dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click the Customers icon. It looks like a simple silhouette. This is where all your customer records live. When the page opens, you'll likely land on Contacts by default. At the top, toggle over to Companies. Companies help you group multiple contacts under the same organization, so tickets, conversations, and metrics roll up neatly for reporting. Next, click the New Company button in the top right corner. This opens the form where you'll add the details that define the organization. Start with the name field. This one is required, and it should be the official name of the company as you want it to appear across Freshdesk. Below that, add a concise description. Think of this as a quick profile. What the company does, who they serve, or any context that would help your team recognize them at a glance. Keep it brief but informative. Now enter the company's email domains. This is a powerful time saver. By adding a domain like example.com, Freshdesk can automatically associate any new contact who signs up with that email domain to this company record. If the organization uses multiple domains, add them all so nothing slips through the cracks. This reduces manual work and keeps your database clean and consistent. You'll also see optional custom rules that can enrich your reporting and help your team prioritize. If your account includes a health score, select whether this company is happy or at risk based on your internal criteria. This is great for customer success teams to spot who needs attention. Then set the industry and tier. Industry helps you categorize companies for filters and reports, while tier can indicate size, spend level, or strategic importance depending on how your team defines it. Consistency here makes future dashboards and exports far more useful. Once everything looks good, click Create to save the company. Freshdesk will add it to your companies list, and from there you can start associating contacts, tracking tickets, and building out reports with confidence. That's it. You've created a company in Freshdesk, complete with smart domain mapping and optional labels that make your data easier to manage. If you follow these steps each time, your CRM will stay clean, accurate, and ready to support your team's workflow.